Alright, we're doing a little strawberry Sundae flambe action. I don't know, but welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and here we go. We're doing dessert today.
Alright, so you're going to start off by preheating your pan over medium-low, throw in some butter. The rest of your ingredients are sugar, mint, rum, ice cream. That's it. So once your butter is melted, add in a spoonful of sugar. Well, depends how much butter you put in, but you know, that depends on how many people you're making it for. Anyways, once you get it syrupy, put your berries in, and then you're gonna get those syrupy. Now you don't want to burn it or caramelize it because that's different. That's kind of like pizzaing when you should have French fried. It's wrong. But okay, so you're gonna just put a dash of rum in it. If you have some sort of aversion to rum, you can leave it out, but you're gonna pour some of that in there, and then you're gonna light it on fire if you got an electric stove. If you're cool and you have a gas stove, you just gotta tilt it, and then you're going to, work it over, give it a little jiggle. Yeah. I don't know why that makes me think of a washing machine, but it does. Anyways, alcohol is burned off. It's ready to put on top of your ice cream. Really, the best way to serve this is in like a martini glass or something where you can see all the colors meshed together. Definitely on a plate makes it hard to eat. But scoop your ice cream, pour your syrup over the top, and eat right away. Otherwise, it starts to melt, but that's still pretty good. I mean, this is great to have in your arsenal for the end of the dinner date. Hope you get some miles out of it.
Yum, 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 yum.